Do you want to sit back, relax, and make $15 every 10 minutes on autopilot? $15 every 10 minutes translates to $90 per hour, and if you stick around and watch this entire video, you'll have an autopilot system that will be working for you 24 hours a day. So, just imagine the insane amount of money you'll be making using the technique we'll be discussing in today's video. Even if we keep the sum really conservative, there is no way you cannot make anywhere from $400 to $540 doing this every single day. Well, first and foremost, the technique I'll be walking you through today is actually based on CPA, or cost per action marketing. We have discussed CPA marketing and various CPA networks frequently on this channel. However, the CPA network I'll be revealing in this video is not a regular one. It has insanely high converting offers and unmatched payout rates that not everyone knows about. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Here is how you can set up an online mechanism that pays you $15 every 10 minutes on autopilot completely for free. Let's start with the CPA network itself. So the network is called tapmob.io, and it is a phenomenal CPA network with high converting exclusive offers that are quick to pay out your gains. Compared to CPA offers on other networks like CPAL Lead or Max Bounty that max out at $2.50, offers on tapmob.io can go as high as $6 per email submit. And like other CPA networks that usually pay 6 to 7 days after requesting payment, this one does that in just 1 or 2 business days. Now, you might be thinking, well, that sounds great. How do I sign up? And unfortunately, the answer to this is you simply cannot. No, don't get me wrong, I wasn't talking about a dream or fantasy CPA network. Tapmob.io does exist and is completely legitimate. However, if you go over to the tapmob.io homepage and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll read a big "We're currently invite only" there. Now, this means that Tapmob is only allowing whitelisted individuals onto the network and is not open for everyone to join. But shockingly enough, I've got a solution for all of you watching this video. If you go down to the description, you will find a link that redirects you to a Google Doc file. There is a special code in it that you can enter into Tapmob and get full access to the platform without any sort of approval or invitation. To do this, download the Tapmob application on your smartphone and tap on the sign up option. Next, it will ask you some basic details like your first name, last name, username, email, phone number, and most importantly, an invite code. This is where you will enter the 4-digit code present in the Google Doc file and instantly be approved onto the Tapmob CPA network. Just create a password, add some social accounts like your Snapchat, Twitter, or Instagram, select themes that you are interested in, and click on Next. Now you'll come across questions like, how did you hear about us, and how do you plan to promote? To which you can provide a random answer like, through YouTube videos or social media marketing. Check the terms and conditions and submit. Here you go, your Tapmob account is all set up and ready to use. Now, if you tap on Offers, you'll see an entire dashboard full of CPA offers with a brief description and their payout reward mentioned on the side. Most of them would probably be in email submit offers and should pay anywhere from $4 to $6 per sign-up, download, or completed survey. To begin making money with these, here are the steps you need to follow. Pick 2 or 3 of the best paying CPA offers from the dashboard and copy their links. Open Google and search for Craigslist New York, Craigslist Brooklyn, or the Craigslist page for any other huge city or town. Go over to that Craigslist page, click on Create a Posting. Pick a location at random, click on Gig Offered, and then I want to hire someone. You will be prompted to a page where you can create a post with a title, description, and other details. Now simply go back to the Google Doc file that you found in the description, copy the whole done for you script inside, and paste it into the job description. The script is just a simple work-from-home job offering where the person applying as an application tester will be asked to download a few apps and complete the sign-up process. However, the apps they download and sign up for will obviously be through your CPA links, thereby putting money into your pocket. Lastly, in the compensation space, enter a random dollar amount anywhere from $5 to $10, and under contact info, enter your Gmail address. Now, you're all set. Just get the posting live so that people can respond to it, and you can move over to the next section of this video. Setting everything to autopilot. I know, you might be thinking, Okay, John, how can we set this to autopilot? And the process to make this automated is pretty straightforward. Open up the Gmail account that you mentioned in your job posting. Open up Settings and click on See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll all the way to the bottom and check the box that says Vacation Responder On. What this option does is that it sends a pre-written automated reply to incoming emails. But wait, what will the automated email be? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered with that as well. Just open up that Google Doc file from the description again and copy-paste the automated message in there. However, don't forget to add your own CPA links to the email, since getting people to click and download those apps is the main objective here. Also, make sure to add a compensation amount such as $5 or $10 because you actually want people to take action. And don't worry, the $5 you spend on this will probably make you so much more in return as soon as people complete the CPA offer. Even if you add 3 email submit offers and 3 application download offers to one email, you can easily make $30 per person. Now just click on Save Changes and the autopilot money-making mechanism is ready to roll. Anyone who responds to your Craigslist posting will be sent an automated email reply containing your CPA links, and as soon as they take action, like downloading an app or signing up to a website through your link, you'll get paid every single time. However, there are ways that you can alter this technique depending on your preferences, like using Facebook groups or public forums instead of Craigslist. Even if you get 10 people to reach out through your job vacancy and complete your offers, it can easily sum up to $300 a day or $9,000 every single month, generated on autopilot without any sort of work or effort put in. Pretty mind-blowing, isn't it? Well, we have finally come to an end, but before I sign off, let me give you a quick helpful tip. The money-making technique that we discussed in today's video involves CPA marketing, and if you don't know what that is, what even was the point of watching this video? But since you've already watched till the end, I'd suggest that you head over to my channel and watch the Best CPA Networks for Beginners guide now. And while you do that, also make sure to smash the subscribe button and tune in for more money-making ideas just like this one. Anyways, that is all for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one soon.